friends, this is me Prigil here and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Prigil Pratibha. So friends, today 26th April and it's my birthday. So friends, I thought to cut cake but cake was not available because of this lockdown. So my mom had made one special cake for me. So now I will be going to cut her cake. So we can see her cake and other things what she had made. So friends, this is a special cake what my mom had made specially for me. Now I will be going to cut it. So you can see, right? So friends, right now we have cut the cake and I can see my mom had made other things also. This is corn fry. Guys, very yummy. I really like it. And other thing, I can see some chicken fry. It looks like KFC. You can see. Friends, this is French fry and prawns fry, and these both are starter. And as you have seen already, this is a KFC, like something like KFC chicken. It look very yummy. And this is chicken biryani, watermelon, and this is prawns curry, and then these both are side dishes. So friends, these all things she had made today. Actually Mati. So friends, right now we will be having lunch. Vadi mummy. So friends, my mom is really a good cook. She cooks well, and right now we will be having lunch. So I hope you will be liking the video and you can. My mom is really a good cook. She has made this all things by herself, and I really love her food from my childhood itself. So okay. And I really love this food, friends. She made my birthday very special while making this all things. I really love her. Actually, what I did here is I removed my birthday date from Instagram, and also I have stopped notification from FB so that this pop-up window don't comes and people know that my birthday is on 26 in that all way. So friends, I did this whole thing and I was really surprised. Actually, you all might be thinking why I did this all things. So friends, actually I did this because I really wanted to know who all really remember my birthday and who all are wishing me at the right time. I'm going to say the name of those person who wished me between 12 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. So the first person is Sunanna from Delhi, and second person is Sarisha from Chennai, and third person is my godfather, and fourth person is Albert from Germany, and fifth person is my mom. She wished me at 12:30 a.m. So I really thank these people a lot to make my birthday special and memorable. So I really thank you a lot. Okay.